Well, I've been staring at this hole in the sky. See, I keep wasting my time wondering, of all the places I could be, I am not who I was in the dreams we dare to dream when we are young. One day we wake up and we become something different. We are the sums of our decisions, the fruit of our ambitions, a grain of sand, a drop in the ocean. Oh, what a trying notion. Days I can't help but getting this feeling I am sinking, and the ground beneath my feet is starting to believe me. See, I try to run but I don't know how. My thoughts are made of doubt, and the silence steals the words from my mouth. I guess I have not been myself for some while now. My love, can you hear me? Can you hear me? See, my heart is strong, but my will is wearing weary. Said I'm leaving come morning. I said I'm leaving come morning. I'll be gone, and it won't be long till I belong. In my time wondering why some hearts beat harder, and two can love in so many different ways. Or you can love just one your whole life long, and they don't feel the same. Well, tell me, love, I'm only asking. If it's funny, then why aren't you laughing? Love, I'm only asking. My love, I am sorry. I am sorry for the things that I have said and I have done. All my life I've hurt the ones. All my life I've hurt the ones I've loved. But it was not my intention. Showing the teeth in me, and the Holy Ghost is keeping close. He said the love will come, but it won't come easy. And I can't help but think there must be something I am missing. You see, when I lay my head to sleep, the voice inside keeps whispering. It says, are you where you wanna be? Are you where you wanna be? Are you where you're wanting now to go? No. Whoa. This heavy heart is missing you around, missing you around. inside keeps whispering. It says, are you where you wanna be? Are you where you wanna be? The love will come, but it won't come